This is Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1966 Nova street machine that's made by ERTL on a 1:18 scale. This car is not just a regular Nova, but with something else. So before we take a look at it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to give me a like, to click the bell for news, and so let's go on. Once we've unboxed the Nova, we can take a better look at it. Nova used to be rather a compact car at this time, and it was a competitor of Ford Falcon, Dodge Dart, and those cars of the time. This car in particular is a very interesting car for a muscle car, since it's a unibody, it's a compact car, and could have some very interesting V8 engines. In this case, this car has got a 327 small block V8, which was a very nice engine at this time. So let's take a better look at it. Speaking of the engine, as we pop the hood open, we can see the 327 small block in the correct color. It's actually made of plastic but painted. It's not a plastic color just like in the older ERTL models. Valve covers are chrome, the air filter is chrome. We can see the shocks right here at the top in the engine bay. The engine bay seems to be a little bit customized for this type of car. The alternator is chrome. We can see the serpentine with the pulleys and belts, radiator and all that stuff. The grill is all correct. It's not actually a grill, but it's a mock-up made in plastic. It's cast in plastic but made with some perfection. And we can see the Chevy 2 emblem right here. For 1967 there was a horizontal trim that went all the way from right to left in the middle of the grill, right here in the horizontal. Headlights and blinkers as well as a bumper is correct, are all correct. The Traeger wheels look very nice, both in front and the rear, with the Goodyear tires. The 327 badge right there, and the interior, that's all made in black but all correct. Seats that do fold forward. There's no headliner, but it's quite well simulated in the acrylic, and it's pretty well made. There's a 4-on-the-floor mechanical transmission. The rear, with those Nova tail lights we already know, there's just tiny difference for 1967. The trim here was removed since it's a street car, so this car was supposed to be fast. And the trunk lid here doesn't open, but there are some variations of ERTLs that do open. Super Sport emblem that really reminds the one of 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. The steering wheel, as we can see in the driver's door, is correct. It's the original steering wheel, the 2-spoke steering wheel with a chrome trim around the horn. 3 pedals, which are gas, brake and clutch. Door panels are correct. Mirror and the vent windows are all correct, are all in the right proportion. And as we look at the bottom of the car, we can see the reinforced suspension for the rear axle, the suspension for the front axle. They are all fixed. They have no coil springs, no things like that. The mufflers are correct. The engine and tranny and the drive shaft are correct. They're all fixed. And the colors are pretty good. The tank is made in black. It's a mixture of texturized plastic with the flat black and the gloss black right here in the bottom, just like we've seen in some previous models made by ERTL. So this car is a real nice car. It's a unibody, as we can see. There's no chassis in here. The whole structure is within the body of a car, just like it happens in the Dodge Dart. So I'd like to thank you for all likes and views, for all comments, and for all subscriptions. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your likes and your comments below, to click bell for news, and stay tuned for next videos. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.